Hi everyone, Vinny here with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, the home of simple, powerful Excel-based logistic tools that help businesses eliminate repetitive work and save hours every week. We work with home inspectors, contractors, delivery companies, real estate teams, and many other businesses that rely on accurate location data but don't have time to look everything up manually. And today I want to share the story of Daniel, who runs a growing home inspection business. Daniel has close to 900 customer addresses across 3 counties, and every week he's spending around 8 hours copying those addresses into Google Maps one by one to get the coordinates his scheduling software needs. Since he does all the inspections himself, his time is worth $45 an hour, which means those 8 hours of manual data entry are costing him around $1,400 every month in lost productivity. Like many small business owners, he found himself sacrificing billable work just to keep up with tedious admin tasks, and he knew he needed a better solution. Before I continue, here's a quick explanation for anyone who's new to this. A geocoder is simply a tool that converts a normal address like 123 Main Street into exact latitude and longitude, or geocodes, coordinates. It's the digital version of telling your software exactly where a location is on the map. Now back to Daniel. After searching for affordable geocoding solution for small businesses, he discovered our Excel Geocoder, and everything changed for him. Instead of losing an entire day every week manually converting addresses, he processes all 900 of them in under 15 minutes the very first time he used the tool. Something that used to consume a full workday was suddenly done before he even finished his coffee. Eliminating that wasted time meant that one-time 97 tool that he purchased from us paid for itself in a single run. And he finally got his weekends back. Daniel also loved knowing that his results were accurate. The Excel Geocoder pulls data directly from Google Maps, the same source his clients already trust, so he no longer has to double-check everything. Using the tool is incredibly simple. Daniel pastes his list of addresses into the spreadsheet, clicks Generate button, and within minutes the sheets fill with latitude, longitude, and altitude automatically. No coding, no complicated setup, and no switching between programs. The coordinates appear instantly inside Excel, ready to use. Daniel's experience is something we hear all the time. We've helped more than 7,000 customers streamline their work with tools just like this, from small businesses to large corporations. We're so proud to have earned over 150 5-star reviews on Google. People love that our tools require no installation, no subscriptions, and no steep learning curve. It's the Excel you already know, just much smarter. If you're tired of manually converting addresses or spending hours on repetitive tasks, try the Excel Geocoder today. You can download the tool using the link in the description. And if your business needs a custom Excel tool, feel free to reach out with me anytime via live chat at ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next time Excel saving tool. Until next time.